tip number 18 or tip number 3 for today. Practice mindfulness. And mindfulness is a topic we've heard so much about. So let's talk about how it relates to this communication and leadership. Practicing mindfulness involves being aware of your thoughts without always acting on them. And that's tough. How often do we become emotional and want to react? Leadership that is based on mindfulness avoids obstacles that can hinder its development. Being mindful helps you to think before reacting. Being mindful helps you to not respond in the moment. Yesterday, my husband and I had a wedding to go to. 2 weeks ago, I said to him, make sure you have your clothing ready. Some of you can appreciate this. 30 minutes before it was time to leave, he looks for his slacks and he cannot find them. Normally, I would get a little upset with him. But I took a deep breath, practiced what I preach, and I said, where have you checked? And we slowly went through his closets, yes, his closets, and realized we couldn't find his desired slacks for the event. He found another pair, not a pair I would have wanted a week earlier, but it was right before the event. He got dressed, he looked fabulous, and we had a great time. And in the middle of the party, I said, aren't you so impressed that I didn't lose my temper and get upset with you? I practiced mindfulness. By practicing mindfulness, you improve communication, make better decisions, and can focus more effectively. And my husband was very appreciative that I did not react as he thought I might.